Thank you for joining us at XM.com for this Forex Preview video. I'm Christina Marucos. Joining me today is Senior Investment Analyst Rafi Boyajian. We'll be having a look at New Zealand's job report out on Tuesday and, of course, the RBNZ policy meeting on Wednesday. Now, let's start with the employment report coming out on Tuesday. It will give us a better idea on how the economy has been performing, yes?
That is right. There's been some weakness in the labour market in recent quarters. That, of course, would be a concern for the RBNZ because they now have a dual mandate of targeting not just inflation but also maximum employment. We are expecting, though, to see a rebound in jobs growth in the second quarter. However, the unemployment rate is expected to inch slightly higher to 4.3%. That would suggest plenty of slack still in the labour market. So that's likely to keep policymakers on the dovish side.
Now, the RBNZ was one of the major central banks to cut rates earlier this year. Markets are pricing in another rate cut at this policy meeting. Do you think we will see a rate cut at next week's policy meeting?
I think rate cut is almost certain. The Governor Edion or had signaled as such at the last meeting, and markets have now fully priced in. So what's going to be more important at the meeting will be markets will be watching for clues as to the scale of future rate cuts, and of course we're going to get the monetary policy statement published as well, which will include the bank's latest forecasts.
Now, where does all that leave the Kiwi? We're seeing it sliding to 6-week lows. Do you think the outlook of this information we're going to have this week will affect it further? Will it add further pressure to it?
So if the RBNZ does signal further rate cuts, we could see the Kiwi remain under pressure. But of course, we now also have the escalated trade tensions. The Kiwi is very risk sensitive. So all of that is likely to maintain that downside pressure on the Kiwi, at least for the foreseeable future.
Rafi, thank you for joining me today.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching us at XM.com.